Hey, it's Latoya Watts, also known as LT, and welcome to another video. Today is day 18 of my 21-day Facebook Live video challenge. Alright, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about 3 video tips to help grow your business in any niche, okay? So if you're tuning in, just let me know down below in the comments where you're tuning in from, okay? I do like to shout out my viewers. And if you catch this video on the replay, hashtag replay down below in the comments, okay? So I like to hop right into things, okay? So let's get started. So tip number 1, you want to give a normal intro, as I just did. You want to say, hey, state your name, whether it's your surname or whatever it is that you go by to brand your business, okay? Hey Frank, thanks for tuning in. So then you want to say, you want to let your audience know what your video is going to be about, okay? So be sure to do those 2 things, okay?
Mom?
Yes, honey.
Mom, you can read a book up here.
Not right now. When I get done, okay?
You read me a book?
When I get done, understand?
Yes.
Okay, so mommy's working right now, so wait till I get done, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
I'll read book by myself, Mom.
You can get started, but I'll help you when I get done, okay? Alright. Alright, so if your subject may be lead generation, then yes, honey, I see. Mommy's doing a video. We will do this as soon as I get done, okay?
Mom, I got this book.
I see.
And this book too.
I see.
I got 2 books.
As soon as I hit go live, everybody wants me.
I'm on the video.
I know, Mama. Let me finish my video because I'm not going to talk through this whole thing. So, then you want to just let your audience know your subject pretty much. Hey, Toya, thanks for tuning in. Let them know pretty much what you're going to be talking about in your video, okay? Maybe it's on lead generation, how to get free leads on Facebook, you know, how to do a different marketing strategy. Whatever it may be, always include what you're going to be talking about in your video after you give your introduction, okay? Put the mini-me on camera. Not at this moment. They are busy. They're always in my videos, but not right now. I've been trying to get their hair done like all day, and it's a process. So until they get their hair done and finished, then they cannot be on video for real. So tip number 2, you want to create content, okay? So you want to have a solution to someone's problem. Let's say, for example, you're in the health niche, okay? You maybe have a product that's teaching people how to lose weight, right? So sometimes you may show a before or after, okay? You pretty much can do a different type of video for like your health products. Video marketing actually gives you a ton of more exposure to your business versus just posting, okay? One of my business partners just let me know that one of my videos has over 445 views on it, okay? So, and that's just from going live and sharing it out, okay? So if you're in the beauty industry, okay, the beauty niche, maybe you have some makeup products and things like that. Maybe you have bad skin, maybe you have oily skin, and you have some makeup that can combat the oiliness of the skin. You pretty much have a solution to someone's problem, okay? Maybe you're in the wealth niche, okay? You can do a video about that and just pretty much let people know what your business has to offer. Sometimes people go over their comp plans and stuff like that. It really just depends on your niche, okay? So you can always give value by sharing what you know to your audience, okay? So everyone doesn't have the same viewers, okay? Frank says he's doing real estate wholesaling. Any recommendations? Do a video on maybe the different type of properties that you have to offer. You know, you're going to have to target your clients, okay? So a video is going to be the best way to pretty much let someone know what you are doing, okay, in your business, okay? It may not make sense, but if you can get on video and explain what you are doing, then that would be helpful to them, okay? Maybe you may attract more clients to you if you can simply push that go live button and share what you have to offer, okay? People don't know what your business is if you don't tell it, and you know, it's the only way to get leads daily, by pretty much sharing what you have, okay? Marketing your business, promoting whatever it is that you have to offer. If you want more sales, you're going to have to promote or advertise, some kind of advertising, whether it's videos, whether it's posting valuable content, whatever it may be, to attract clients to you, okay? Hey Shanika, thanks for tuning in. So valuable tips, Facebook Live videos, or lifestyle videos. So maybe you like to travel, okay? You can always do a video traveling somewhere, showing your destination, showing your lifestyle, whatever it may be. You can always show that form. Maybe you're a travel agent, okay? You can always go live and share what you do, okay? Yeah, you should, Frank. You should try it. You know, you don't know how it will help your business unless you try it, okay? We've all had a starting point, and a lot of us have a fear of videos, okay? I've had a fear before, but now I just kind of have been doing it for quite some time, so it kind of grows on you, you know. Still makes you nervous sometimes, pushing that go live button, depending on what your topic is. Hey Brittany, thanks for tuning in. But the tips that I have to share with you guys, it can be used in any niche. The marketing that I have to share with you all, it can be used in any niche. So I like to share it with my entrepreneurs and my business owners out here growing their business. Okay. Hey Renee, thanks for tuning in. The third tip I like to share with you all is to give a CTA. CTA is simply a call to action. So at the end of your video, you always want to let your viewers watching know what to do next, okay? If you don't tell them what to do next, then they don't know. You know, they're just kind of just lingering, wondering, okay, I watched her video, now what? Okay, so you can always say, you know, go subscribe to my YouTube channel. I like to give that call to action a lot. So if you're watching this video in need of marketing tips, training, strategies, and ways to make money from home, then go subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I will put that link down below in the comments. Hey, Jennifer. Thanks, Toya. It's never too late to get started, you all. If you are starting a business, if you're in a business already, just do a video. You know, more will come with time. It's all about conquering your fears and getting out of your comfort zone of not doing it and or making excuses on why you're not doing it. Because for me personally, it's just going to be the best way. It has been the best way for me to grow my business at a faster rate versus just posting content, okay? Because those inspirational posts, they only gonna go so far, okay? People may like it and heart it and share it, but that's it. when you do a video, you kind of can connect with people, just like you guys are dropping comments. I can read your comments, I can give you feedback. It's all live, and you can interact with your potential clients, your leads, gain potential sales, all from a simple video that you've done one time. Okay, if that makes any sense, go ahead and throw some hearts on my screen. Again, these tips can be used in any niche, and I won't hold you all long, but those are my 3 tips. If you missed them, go ahead and watch the replay of this live video. Write them down. I think I made a post about it before I even went live, so go ahead and copy those notes down. Go ahead and implement them in your business, and I look forward to your success. Let me see. I think I missed one comment on here. Let me see. I'm just scrolling back a little bit. Okay, Brittany says she's about to start doing more fashion videos. Awesome, Brittany. Do that, because that way you can show what you have to offer. You know what I'm saying? It's a visual. People are visual. People don't like to read all the time. They really don't. I've heard people say, well, I did all this copy and I did all this content and no one even responded, and I didn't get no engagement on my post. Because people pay more attention sometimes to visuals. Some people are visual learners, and they may just tune in and just stick around and watch a video versus your content. Facebook is very distracting. If they see something else more interesting, they'll be on to the next post. Okay, so just deliver. Okay, whatever it is that you have to offer, whatever niche it may be in. So those are the 3 tips that I have for you all today. Thanks for tuning in. I will see you all on the next video. All right.